Click on Sign In and choose Continue with Google to access your account. Navigate to the BS Data Science section, select Foundation, and choose Mathematics for Data Science I. Browse the games and hit Play Game on the Quadratic Function Properties module to start practicing. Read the rule for the y-intercept, enter 7, and hit Check to confirm it's correct. For the next question, type H8 and click Check to see your result. In Level 2, read the rule for the x-coordinate, enter 5, and hit Check to get feedback. Skip ahead to the final challenge to test your knowledge on the topic. In the final challenge, select the true statements and click Check to review the explanations. After completing the challenge, click Back to Dashboard to return to the main menu. Click Create Question Game. Select the subject and program, then upload a screenshot of a practice question.